In 1992, 2,500 people came. In 2002, more than 40,000 attended the Rossendale Valley Motorbike Show. That's 15,000 people more than the population of the town. The main ride into Rawtenstall at the start of the event typically includes about 1,500 motorbikes. The show takes over all the town centre of Rawtenstall for all those who turn up, either on bikes or as a visitor to watch. The show's chairman, Tony Winder, says that the show has three main aims: to promote Rossendale, to promote motorcycling, and to raise money for charity, something it does remarkably well. Bikes are parked all through the streets of the town, and there are some in exhibition areas too. There are trade stalls, club stalls, rider training by the British Motorcycle Federation too. All there to provide a great day out with a lively atmosphere. If a bike has been made, you'll probably see it parked somewhere. But it's not all motorbikes, all the time. There is an exhibition too, and places for finding something to eat, and litter bins to keep the town tidy. A mile out of the town, a camping ground has been provided for the last 4 years, as people arrive in the town from far and wide. And a small fair on the side road past the East Lancashire railway station for those who like leaving their stomach behind till next year. So far, over £55,000 has been given to good causes, both nationally and locally, including the Air Training Corps, Bake Up Fire Cadets, the British Polio Fellowship, and Muscular Dystrophy. As Tony Winder, chairman of the show committee, says in his description of the aims of the event, this bike show is all about bringing motorcycling to the people, and that is exactly what it has achieved.